Right, so now to cut the shorts, I've already cut the shirts, back facing and sleeves. So if you have not watched my previous videos on how to cut back facings and sleeves, please watch my videos on senator making. You'll see how to cut those ones. Now to cut the shorts, like I said, all you need to do is as well check the stretchy nature. So it's drawing this way more than this way, right? So I have to consider that first before drafting my shirt. Sorry, my shorts, even my shirt as well. So you make sure you align the stretchy nature where it should fall. It should fall on the width walls and not on the length. It should be on the width and not on the length. So you arrange your fabric in that form. So now you have gotten to this stage. Now bear in mind, like I said in the video I did yesterday about how to cut a short, the hips of a client on a trouser is not the same hip on a short of the same client, right? The short hip is a bit more bigger, right, than the short than the trouser. So you align it this way. So first thing to do as well, usual way, is to mark out your baseline. Mark out your baseline. Because of the stretchy nature, the chalking might not be that easy. You also mark out a line here, the side lines as well. So mark out the lines in this direction. Then you have gotten the baseline. Then after which, the next to do is to mark 2 inches. Now these 2 inches you are marking is for the folding of the short length, right? For the folding of the short length, 2 inches of the short length. Then you extend the line in this form as well. You extend the line in this form as well. Then after that, you put your short length. So short length I have is 23 short length. So you put 23, let's do 22. That it won't be too long. 22 short length. Then you mark this way. Mark it twice so that you have a straight line at the waist. 22 short lengths. Then extend the line this way. So now my customer's normal hip would have been 43, 44, but because we're making a shot for him, I measured it to be 46, right? So extra 3 inches or thereabout. So now to get the crouch, I will not use the bigger hip measurement to get the crouch. I will use the original hip, which is 44, to get the crouch, because the crouch is constant. So I will mark out 11 here. That's your normal crouch, because your hip is 44. So you extend the line this way. Extend the line this way. Then after this, the next to do now is to mark the bigger hip, which is 46. So 11.5 here. 11.5 here. Then extra 2 inches. Then your waist is 33. Divided by 4 is 8.25. 8.8 inches is 32. So that 8.25, 8.75, sorry. 34 is 8.34 is 8.4, yeah, 8.25, 33 west this way, yeah. Then mark extra 1 inch. Extra 1 inch. Then connect this to your real hip. The 1 inch extra to your real hip. It goes in this form. Then after this, the next to do now is to come in here by 1.5, the ankle, 1.5. Your knee, the knee we had is a bigger knee, so that the short will not be fitted on the knee. So the knee we had is 20 by 2, that's 10. So we mark 10 here. Mark 10 here. Then connect this way. Connect this way. So you mark your knee and then connect in that line. Then from here, you go open this way. So by the time you fold this fabric, it falls this line. Because if you go straight, it will fall inside. Then after that, you come down by half. So because of this much short, now the owner said he wants to have it to be a belt with the loop. So that's why I used my waist measurement in the drafting. But if he has said he wanted it to be rope or elastic, I will use a hip on the drafting on the waist. So from here, I will come down by 7 for the pocket depth, which is normal. And then from here, coming by 2.5. And that's all you need to do. Then from here, go up by 2 inches this way and come here by 0.5. Make a curve this way. And that's all you need to do. Then connect that 1.5 inch you have to that crouch line this way. Then come up this way. Then let me cut it out. The chalking is not that clear, but from the cutting now you will understand it. So this is how you cut the front panel of your vintage shorts. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes. The read they are 44. Yeah. In making a shot for a male, you don't use the person's real hip to cut the shot. It will be too tight for him. For example, as I put on this trouser now, it's okay on me. But if I cut it to the short, I can't wear it again. It will look too tight, but a normal short should be free. Do you get? So if I mention if a male for a short, don't use his real hip to make the shorts. Increase the short so that increase the hip so that the hip will be big on him. Do you get? Because short is meant to be a freer version of trouser. So that if you sit down, your lap no go there, if they go hold you for the pad, it will just free you. So even your knee, like his knee is 20 for this short, there's the knee. But on trouser, the knee is around 17 to or 16.5. Do you get? So short is a bigger measurement compared to trouser. Yes, I use the real hip, which is the 44, to get the crouch. But crouch is constant. But what you're battling with is the size, width, and not the crouch length. You get? So after that, you drag the front as well, and then trying to cut the back panel now. So because of a lot of cutting, so I have to adjust this way so that the back trims will enter. So this way now, then I will extend the line on the crouch. I will extend the line on the crouch to come out by 2 inches. 2 inches this way. Then mark here 2 inches. Mark here 2 inches. Mark here 2 inches. Mark here 2 inches. Then extend this line all through to this very point. Then back west line 2 inches or 1.5, whichever one. No wahala. From here as well 2 inches. The reason as well 2 inches. So these are what we will do. Then connect the line in this form. In this form, and then the next to do is connect this one as well. Connect these two as well. Because of the vintage nature, the jockey no go too dey smooth to go dey run around, but no wahala. If you know what they do, you no go feel am. Then cut out. Back for the back. Say this one now. By the time you don't fold them, you go still cut off the excesses. So this one still remain. So this is the front and the back panel of your shorts. Then from here now. That's all you need to do. Then you notch your pocket side. You notch. Then on the sewing stage, I will show you guys how to do the gumming. Then I think I will just the sewing is there's nothing wrong. There's nothing too strong here. You can use the method of sewing a trouser, the pocket fixing, the band fixing, and the zip fixing as well. The same thing. You should search on my channel on how to make a native Ankara trouser. The same method of sewing is what we use on here, right? So you can make do with the videos I have there already so that the videos doesn't get bulky or too boring. So the next video I will show you guys will be another type of vintage cotton that we have the waist to be elastic and rope at once. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.